Welcome to Frontline. In this video, I'm going to show you how you're able to add your compliments in within the Pro Standards Tracker. So underneath the compliments module here, as an admin or a supervisor, you have the ability to add those compliments in. There are three ways a compliment can occur, whether it's from the public portal, if you're utilizing that, internally, if an employee is giving a compliment on another employee, or externally, if somebody outside of the department maybe walks in to file a compliment on an employee. So if you wanted to add a new compliment, maybe we're going to say it's an internal compliment. We're going to go ahead and choose that source as internal. The status would be open until you've completed it. If you have multiple agencies, you can choose which agency it's coming from. The compliment type. You're going to be able to choose who internally is filing that compliment. So if it's yourself, you can go ahead and choose that. Remember, only supervisors and admins have the ability to make this compliment. So if they are a user role in the system, they would have to go to a supervisor to fill this out. So that's when you would select somebody else. The incident date, time, the location, the employee involved with this compliment. This can be multi-select. A narrative of why this person is receiving a compliment, and then hit save. At the bottom, there is a document manager. If there's anything that pertains to this compliment, you can go ahead and add this in here. Maybe the chief received an email praising how well an officer did at a stop. They could go ahead and download that directly into here. That way they're able to view that at any time. And then you are just going to save it, disposition it out, and it then went from an open compliment to a completed compliment where you can come back and view those at any time. If it's an external compliment, the only difference is when you select external, you're going to be able to plug in the information that came in to file that compliment in here. Otherwise, the workflow is exactly the same as if you were going to do it internally. Now, if you have one that came from the public portal, whoever you selected in the backend to receive that email regarding that public portal entry being made would then be able to log in. They would view that one that came in from the public portal. Now, on the public portal, remember, we're not giving them a drop-down list or a roster to choose from. They have to supply some kind of information for us. So this person only remembered the name Paige. So we need to go ahead and associate an employee with that name here. We know we have an officer named Michelle Page. So we're going to go ahead and associate her with this compliment. And then this narrative here is what they wrote up on the public portal. This could not be edited, changed, or modified in any way. If there was any additional narratives that you want to make here, you can. You can also add anything into the document manager if you want to, and then you would just save it, disposition it out, then goes from an open compliment to a completed compliment. If you wanted to ever email these compliments out to any of those employees, letting them know about it, you can just simply go to the completed ones. You can view them here. You are able to print these out in a PDF if you want to. Otherwise, you can just email them out directly. So you would just hit the email button. It's going to generate their email for you, automatically putting in that employee's email address that the compliment's associated with a custom link to get directly to that compliment here. So then you would just go ahead and send it to them. This is how you're able to keep track of those compliments within the Pro Standards Tracker. Thank you for watching this video.